Did you know we're weekly in print and daily online? So be sure to check out GeaugaMapleLeaf.com for your latest local news. And don't forget, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter.
You have in front of you, it's an application for outside counsel. I don't really have a lot of details on this because what happened is a little inexplicable to me. And I don't know all the facts behind it, but out of nowhere we received a summons and order to show cause to hold the assistant JFS director, Paul Ryman, and one of the child support workers, Kathy Wiles, who's I think been doing child support about twice as long as I've walked this earth. Literally.
Yeah, I'll shoot it 3 times.
So,
yeah.
And you know, that just showed up in our office last week. At the end of the day, I think on Thursday. You know, I talked to my child support assistant prosecutor about it. We're really that we don't understand. There was no communication from the court. I don't understand it. But the problem I have is, I mean, I have to give them legal counsel. You know, he's threatening to throw them in jail, right? 2 of our employees.
Right.
So that concerns me. The reason I normally I think I could handle it, but my assistant prosecutor that handles child support, I think that she would be a witness in any proceedings that we would have, and that would cause the conflict down the line. So because of that, I think we just have to get somebody else to handle it. Okay. Unfortunately, I mean, I hate to wait again, wasting money, but it's just necessary.
Now will your office be representing Grendell as well, or no? Or does he represent himself in that?
Yeah, I mean, no, he's not entitled to
because he's been in
the
action.
Court.
Yeah.
I mean, it's the it's within the child support case. Okay. So I guess he's accusing them of not following one of his court orders. But again, unless Craig knows something different, I've never received any explanation from the court.
Okay.
As to, you know, this just came out of nowhere, as far as I can tell.
Okay.
That is, in fact, correct. I believe attached to the contempt citations is a court order of which it appears to be alleging that our agency did not follow.
Well, that wasn't attached. I attached that to ours. Oh, did that come with yours? Because
I believe that, or at least that's what I received.
Oh, okay. Because what I received was just a contempt citation. I'm not even exactly sure.
Okay. All right. Well, I have with mine an order of which it's being alleged, and I'm confident that as the facts play out, that it will be determined that we did in fact follow the letter of the law, and that this is really unfounded, and as far as it's just really hurtful, and my employees are really impacted adversely, by this situation, and it's unfortunate, and we'll just let the facts play out in court.
So let me ask you. So how did the chain of events go in this? So you received like an actual citation of contempt?
Yeah. So I think I attached it. Did I attach it as an exhibit? So there's this just showed up in our mailbox. It was order and summons to show cause. There's 2 of them there.
I see.
So and then it was directed to them.
Okay.
And
here's the thing.
If you take a look right here, and it says why you should not be held in contempt of court for failure to comply with the court's orders filed on July 26, 2017. And both Jim and I have a copy of that order, and that's the order of which I'm speaking of.
So on here it says then the 14th of August is when this would be at noon, and it would be almost like a hearing at that time, that he then basically makes a finding at that time?
He could, yes. I mean, I don't know what the lawyer,
There would have to be evidence.
Yeah. This is unusual. I mean, the judge instituted this on his own. I don't really...
I see.
It's not like there's any party. The underlying child support case are 2 people who don't have lawyers that were in a dispute over child support, which I think they resolved. But ironically, we weren't even we were excused from the last hearing. So the last hearing on this case, when the order was issued, we weren't even at. And Paul's never been to court on this.
Yeah, Paul knew nothing. Paul received this citation and knew nothing about what had played out. So he's at work one day and gets a citation that he's being held in contempt of court, and he doesn't even know why.
Yeah, for failure to...
For failure to do what? He doesn't know anything about it because he's
Yeah.
on such a higher level administratively, so he's trying to be held accountable for actions that he did not even partake in.
And then as well as...
How's that due process?
The lady you were talking about as well, right? She's being accused as well, one of the employees.
Apparently, yeah. Again, we don't really have any facts. It's not normally in a contempt proceeding, a party or somebody involved in the case will file a motion and set forth what the facts are that somebody violated a court order. So if the judge did this on his own, we don't have the benefit of that.
I see.
It's not like the judge laid out, hey, I think you did this wrong.
Right.
He just issued the contempt summons.
Gotcha.
So.
Gotcha. Okay.
I'm sorry, I don't have that many answers for you. It's just, I unfortunately...
It's unfortunate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to do this.
It's like a cesspool of money that just keeps going out the window here. It's crazy.
Well, and it's for these reasons, though. It's the confusion that Jim and I have and my employees have that we really feel that these employees need strong representation in court so their rights, whether it's constitutional, fiscal, whatever, are not violated.
Okay.